Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix overheating and throttling while gaming on XIAOMI Black Shark Pad 7. So let's start with the most basic steps. If your device is overheating, try not to keep it within the direct sunlight and remove the protective case from it. And after you do that, you also have to disable the power saving mode if you have it enabled in order to reduce the throttling effect. Now, instead of power saving mode, we should enable something else. Open settings, then scroll down to DuraSpeed and make sure to turn on this feature, and you can also disable this feature for the game you're currently playing. You'll be able to find it on this list. Simply switch on the toggle next to it. This will let your application work in with full performance while having the rest of the applications restricted. After that, also check your device's storage. Go to storage menu and make sure that you have at least 10 gigabytes of storage available on your tablet for comfortable gaming experience. And if you do not have this storage, then of course you have to delete some large files from your device or back them up in the cloud. Then also check your device for updates. So go to System, scroll down to System Updates, check for update right here, and if you don't find them right here, also select About Tablet menu, scroll a bit down, go to More Info, select System Update right here, check for updates right here. And if you have an update, let your tablet install it. And then also, let's go back to System and let's check memory expansion and make sure that you are using 16 gigabytes of storage to expand your memory. If you're using less than that, you can increase this value to 16 gigabytes and then restart your tablet. And eventually just let your device cool a bit down if it's already overheated, and then continue playing on it when it's cooled down. Now, also I want to warn you not to play on your tablet having your charger connected to it, because it's also gonna drain your battery and wear it out, as well as overheat your tablet. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.